This is
from you wake up every morning. You's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's a girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, guys? It's been a very long time since I've done a braid out, and braid outs are one of my favorite natural hairstyles to do with my natural hair. I get that look, especially when I want to rock my hair out. You guys know I usually rock twist and so, but today we're going to try a braid out. I haven't decided if I want to do that medium size or small or big jumbo. I don't know yet, but I know for sure we're going to be using some products from Treluxe. Well, we have already started. You guys know how I start my hairstyles. We do our wash day, then I go in with a leave-in conditioner and I put my hair into 2 braids. That's where we're at right now. To start off, I use the Treluxe Untiie the Knot leave-in conditioner. Moisturize and style, I'm going to use the Treluxe Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream. Claims to hydrate, strengthen, protect, and style. Creates lustrous, moisturized, and defined curls with a soft hold. This is actually one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. I actually have a bottle that I finished already. So thank you to Treluxe for sending these products over to me because your girl needed to re-up, and they're also sponsoring this video, so big shout out to Treluxe. Treluxe products can be found at select Walmart and Walgreen stores. You can search for the nearest store carrying their products on their website. Discover treluxe.com/store locations, or you can just check the description box for more details. So as I said, my hair has already been prepped and primed. Now we're going to style. I'm going to unravel the braids, and I still haven't decided if I'm going to do medium size, small, or chunky. Of course, if I do them smaller, I'll get more definition and less volume. I'll really have to pick it out. And if I do them chunky, I'll get less definition but more volume. But what do we want? I don't know yet. My hair is still damp, and that's how I love to style my hair actually. I'm going to start with this section at the back. Put this away, and my parts of course don't have to be even. Okay, I'm gonna go with medium size. I have decided I'm going to go with medium size. This may take a while, you know, but I'm excited to see how this will turn out. Even though my hair is still quite damp, I'm still going to refresh with some water, mostly my ends and my roots. I'm going to smooth that water in, reactivate the leave-in conditioner, detangle, really smoothing out my hair, and then I'm going to apply the 4-in-1 hydrating cream by Treluxe. It has a nice pleasant smell, actually not too overbearing, but I've used this before, so I'm just not using it for the first time and sharing with you guys. I've actually went through about 2 of these, maybe 2, but I know for sure I actually have 1 in my bathroom that I'm currently finishing up, so you know the hype is real. So I'm gonna mostly focus it on my ends first and work that product up to my roots. You don't actually need a lot of this. You have to know the amount of product you need to achieve a certain style, but all you have to do is make sure that that product is distributed properly throughout your hair and throughout your strands. So I'm gonna break this into 3 because we're braiding, of course. Braid from the root and continue braiding down. And as I'm doing my first braid, I'm contemplating if I actually want to do them medium size or just do them chunky, because this will take me a while, okay? Hopefully at the end it's gonna be worth it, please, because this is a lot of work. So this is my first braid. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple more and then I'm just gonna get into my zone. But I am so excited to see how this turns out actually. So detangle with the water in, add the 4-in-1 hydrating cream, which is pretty moisturizing. I love using this especially for my wash and goes. I haven't tried using it for a braid out until today, so we're gonna experience this together. We're gonna see the vibes, so let's see.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk.
Done. Let's count real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I have about 27 braids in my hair. I'm gonna let it dry overnight and I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see the results, all thanks to Treluxe. Their Untiie Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner and their Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. See you tomorrow. Bye. So it's the next day. I'm about to unravel. So my hair is dry. Let's take a little look. Shiny. My hair is moisturized. Hair looks and feels good. So to unravel my hair, I start at the back and work my way up to the front. But I'll put my hair away, well, up like this, and pull them out as I'm ready to unravel. And I'm kind of nervous, so that's why I'm trying to just like get to it and with it. Yeah, this is the first one. Ooh, I got volume right away and my hair is moisturized. I'm going to stop talking to you guys in a bit because as I unravel, it's going to get really hot and I have to turn the fan on. And I know you guys don't mind me having the fan on, but I just hate to hear that noise in the background. Let's take a look as I unravel. So I'm gonna separate and fluff one time. So as I unravel, I'm just unraveling those sections some more versus just having to go back in and unravel again. So far I can tell that I'm going to get a lot of volume and some definition, but I don't really care for definition when I wear braid outs per se. I love the volume. Unravel each section at least once or twice. Woo! Talk to me, like, what's up? I am in love. This is so cute. Like, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. Like, this is really cute for real though. So my hair is soft, like really soft. We have the definition. Yeah, what's up? Like, this is so cute. I haven't seen my hair so big and like fluffy and defined and like moisturized like this in a long time. So we love it. Do we love it? Like, do we love it? Like, hey, speaking for myself here, I really love this. Yes, like, this is cute. It's really lightweight and fluffy as well, and the volume. Woo! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yeah, I obviously haven't seen my hair like this in a long time, and Treluxe is just giving it to me right now. Like, the moisture, the definition, the volume, the fluff. the plush. Ooh. So I am definitely going to try this again, but I wonder how this would look if I did the braids bigger. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye. So if you're looking for a new leave-in conditioner to try, I would definitely recommend the Untiie the Not Nourishing leave-in conditioner and their 4-in-1 hydrating cream. This is a great moisturizer that you can use to achieve any hairstyle. Bye.